It's really important to look at how people in the past used the material available in their immediate surrounding and learn from that. My name is Marwa Abdelrahim. I'm an architect and researcher. My research mainly focuses on aspects of environmental and social sustainability. The product I designed is called Mishkah. It's a 3D printed wall-mounted lighting fixture. The main architecture elements in traditional buildings I was inspired by is the wall niche, which is usually used to house lanterns. I chose clay because it's a material that is present in many aspects of the local culture and has an overall better environmental impact. The technique that I chose to work with is 3D printing the clay, which I thought would be a way to present new forms or new designs that are not possible with other methods. And it was also a way to design with reduced waste, so I print exactly the shape that I want. Some of the challenges that comes with working with 3D printing is having to work with so many parameters. It takes time to understand the right material consistency and the right pressure and speed settings. The print would collapse or the cartridge would explode out of the high pressure. So we had a few explosions. I was very happy to see the results of the light that this geometry gives. There's a special warmth to the material itself. Tanween has really provided me with the tools to identify my values as a designer.
We don't know what you're doing, but you've got to feel comfortable with the idea of not really knowing why you're doing it. You know, every time you go like that, I'm like, oh, that looks nice.
Through the process, we always have what's your intention with this step? Does it really align with your values as a designer? Going through this process made it easier for me to explain my designs in a better way. That is a method that I will carry on with me after Tanween.